The timestamps are there for you to use them. So I did in this system, they could see the scores of that month. And I did this really amazing thing to motivate the team and connect. The second part of the transformation was how to motivate the team. And then I put this television in our main office, our headquarters, and that's the place where they gather every day. And I put the pictures of them, and underneath you could see when once you gather every day to the office, they could see how many work orders they had open, they had closed over the last week, how many work orders are in progress right now. So they could see exactly what was happening. Even the planner that stays in the office can see, all right, he closed that one and he had 7, now he closed the 8th one, and it was pretty cool. But even beyond that, I could start grabbing the data from UpKeep and start doing these really interesting tables to apply some score system. If they completed a work order in the time that it was meant to be. So if they had to finish a work order at 11 a.m. and they finished before, they got like 100 points. And if they did it 1 hour later, the points were going to start dropping, maybe 50, 20, and I started to give them score automatically using the API, because you get all the data, what time the work order was closed, what time it was open, whatever data, and like the timestamps are there for you to use them. So I did in this system, they could see the scores of that month. And I did this really amazing thing to motivate the team, and the person that had the highest score, because they completed a lot of work orders on time, they will receive an extra day, a day off the next month. And the whole team was really into it. It was a really good experience, and it was monitored on site. It was super good experience. I would recommend you to start thinking beyond what actually you can see through the UpKeep screens. That is great, but you can go beyond that whatever way you want.